Today with us, Tseng at the Falkensteiner Punta Skala Zadar Open. Congrats on your win. How tough are first round matches, and tell us a few words about your match.
Today was a tough match at the beginning. He was breaking me twice in the service game, and I was trying to find my rhythm and also playing my game. And at the end, I find out I was changing a little bit more about the rhythm and from the baseline and working better with my serve.
Great. You played many tournaments all around the world. How do you like it here at the Zadar Open and Falkensteiner Punta Skala Hotel?
Here was amazing. The view was amazing. Also, the food was very good. I love it so much. And I just need to get used to the court and also all the condition here. But I love it here.
Great. We have no more water here, so that's why we have a small gift for you from the company Brita. They are doing water filtration and reducing plastic, so
Okay.
I hope you'll have enough water now.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck for the rest of the tournament.
Thank you.